Gary and Sandy have invited you here today to witness the exchanging of vows that will unite them together as husband and wife. They bring here today their hopes and their dreams which they desire to bind together. When this ceremony is ended, Gary and Sandy will leave this place as husband and wife, having been joined together by God.
Gary is extremely smart, a natural business leader, full of life and laughter. She's humble, a European dancing queen, and always living life to the fullest. Sandy, I never had a single doubt. I saw you with her and I knew you were head over heels. And Gary only deserves the best man. She deserves someone that makes her laugh and treats her like a queen, and you've been doing a really good job at that. I'm so happy to see that you still make her laugh and smile and blush just like you did at the very beginning of your love story. You two show what love really is. But the love you two share is very rare. You let each other live freely, move across the ocean and back, chase opportunities and your dreams, all while keeping the love strong.
Gary, it has been a pleasure to get to know you all these years. I'm so happy that Sandy found someone as thoughtful and driven and smart and optimistic as you. Know that everyone here who loves you and supports you is so excited to see what beautiful things life has in store for you both.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Sandy, you may kiss your bride.
I know you guys are going to have a successful marriage. May you be poor in misfortune. May you be rich in blessings. May you be slow to make enemies. May you be quick to make friends. From this day on, may you know nothing but happiness.
Married life is an adventure, and you are embarking on your own adventure today. Follow your dreams and never give up. For anyone else, let us join them and congratulate with every happiness in the world and a long and a happy life as a husband and wife.